Tasi!
Hello, little learners! Are you ready for our next amazing letter? It's the fantastic letter F. Can you say it with me? F, F, F. This is uppercase F. F is the 6th letter of the alphabet. Fantastic! And this is lowercase f.
Jump so high, flower that blooms beneath the sky. French fries dance in a happy row. F is a letter we all know.
Let's trace the letter F in the air. Up, across, and down. Then 2 lines across. One at the top, one in the middle. Fantastic! F is fun and full of friends. Let's wave goodbye to frog, flower, and French fries. See you next time!